Bangkok Hospital. Medical Robot Hub. The Da Vinci Xi, Robot-Assisted Surgery. Robot-assisted surgery with better access, improved visualization, enhanced surgical precision with less complications, and fast recovery. VELYS, robot-assisted solution for personalized total knee replacement. With small incision, less pain, greater range of motion, without radiation exposure. ARTIS Pheno, robotic imaging for minimally invasive orthopedic surgery. Enhanced surgical accuracy, shortened operative time, minimized risks of post-operative complications with less damages to surrounding areas and reduced chance of reoperation. WalkBot, robot-assisted gait training. To improve mobility, regain muscle strength, promote balance, and accelerate recovery from neurological and musculoskeletal impairment, such as stroke, Parkinson's disease, and spinal cord injury. Bangkok Hospital. Medical Robot Hub. Center of Robotic Innovation, Asia Pacific.